Hello my people, how na dey? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where we dey gist Bible matter for pidgin. If na your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. So the last time for Bible Gist Naija, I gist on how Baba God take create the agbalumo, the mango, all the fruits we dey eat today, and how he also take create water side. And all of those things dey happen for day 2 and day 3 of the creation. So today, our gist na about wetin Baba God create on day 4 and day 5. This na how he take create the sun, the moon, and all the bird dem wey we dey see, all the fish wey dey water. But more especially na how he take order fowl, that order wey he give fowl, wey fowl dey execute today. All this na the gist wey I dey give una today. And as usual, I go always say make you go checkmate Bible, make you see wetin Bible dey talk. As our gist today na from Genesis chapter 1 from verse 14 to verse 23. So make you go checkmate Bible, make you see wetin Genesis chapter 1 from verse 14 to 23 talk about. So right about now, make we enter today gist. So the next day na so Papa God come still look around, come see say but the day never really bright well, e never lighten up well the way he expect am to be. Now he come reason am say wetin I go add up, wey go make this day make sense, wey go make am bright more. Na so him dey after many reasoning, he just reason things and things. Now he talk say okay, solar go make sense o. Na so he just knack one big solar for up. He position am, the thing come round, na so he come call am sun. So na that thing now be the sun, that solar now wey Baba God put for up, na him be the sun now wey we dey enjoy during the day, wey we go go out sometimes, we go see how the sun dey shine. Some people dey say this sun e too much o, make e go down o. Some people still dey say this sun, make this sun shine well well o, I wash cloth o, make my cloth for dry. So you see, the simple sun wey Baba God just knack for us for up, wey say make we take dey see road so during the day, some people now don dey use am for their own personal advantage, you understand. So na so how Baba God take create the sun, position am for up, wey we dey see today. So as night come reach, he come look and see say to okay, if this sun now don go down for night, the whole place go dark, e go too dark. Now it's okay, make him carry one thing put for the sky there, wey go dey give light too for the night. You know, when he create the sun, he make am round, the sun just dey round, cover everywhere. As it's dey for up there, just cover everywhere. But the moon now, he come divide am into two, make e come get one shape. Half of the sun come keep am for there for night. As he keep am there finish, for he come reason am say okay, e no make sense say based on say the thing no too full, make e just dey there on im own. Now he come carry some kind stars sprinkle there. He just sprinkle the stars for up. So na so make anytime you go out now for night, you dey see the moon. As the moon dey, you go just see those stars dem wey dey for the middle there, just there around, surround am. Na be the thing wey give that person wey sing twinkle twinkle little star the inspiration. You know the song na twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, abi the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. So now that wonder wey that person talk there, na based on say no understand wetin Baba God, how Baba God take formulate that thing. That be the wonder wey sing inside that song. So na only Baba God know the wonder wey dey inside. That make we dey call am the author of all creation. So now wetin Baba God create for day 4 be this o. But e no end there. As the following morning day just break, Baba God begin dey look around again, dey look around. He just dey look around. Say wetin go fit still do again wey go make the world still make sense more. So Baba God don look am sotey e come be like say the whole thing wan come dey totori im brain. Now he say okay, no matter, make I near water side first. So as Baba God reach the water side, na so he say no wasting of time, 2 seconds. Na so he just open the sea like big pot of soup. Na so he begin dey pour kind of fish inside. He pour the big whales, you know those shark dem, the shark the shark, he pour that one inside. He pour different kind of fish. Even that fish they call sombu, he pour am inside. Tilapia just dey there, dey form formation inside the water. The catfish, na be the ogbonge ninja. You know how catfish dey dey inside water. Maybe say as they put your hand go where you wan catch am, so you go just do it like this. Na be the ogbonge ninja inside the water. Baba God come look down, come say, hey, e make sense. As he just look, all the fish they just dey fly, dey perambulate inside the water anyhow. Now you know they heard this okay, this one makes sense. So after Baba God don finish with the sea, how him take after him don put the fish dem inside finish. Na him come look sky come say, but this sky need to get swag. This sky no get enough swag. Na him come say okay make him position some bird there. Na so him just say oya bird dem, bird oya more na dey fly dey go up. Na so dem just begin dey fly dey go up. So as dem fly dey go up, him see say e make sense. He create different kind of bird, even the parrot wey dey talk pass your aunty, na baba God na him create am too. He create am, but that one him position am for up. Then for ground, him come say you fowl, you go dey for ground, and as you dey for ground, make you multiply fill the earth. As fowl hear that one, as fowl hear that one, na him say, swallow sir, your wish is my command. 2 seconds, e no waste time. Na so one hen just dey pass. Na so the fowl run push one, jump on top am like say na prayer point wey him don dey wait for. 2 seconds, baba God still stand there dey look. Before you know, 5 chicks don appear. As the 5 chicks appear so, na so baba God turn look the chick, look the fowl. Na so him come laugh small come say, una too dey quick dey obey instruction o. As parrot hear that one, na so parrot say, let's multiply baby. So anytime you dey waka for road or for corner of your street, you come see fowl dey run around with that usual thing wey dey do, dey jump up and down. No reason am o, go your way. Na baba God give am order wey him dey follow, him dey obey am to the core. So just waka pass, go your way. So this na how we take get this the sun, the moon, now wey dey form times and season, wey dey tell us time to pray, time to sleep, time to rise. And na so him take also create the fishes wey dey inside water wey we dey chop today, wey we dey go river dey throw our net dey catch them. Some dey sell, some dey chop. So na so e be, na baba God create am. And this na wetin baba God create for day 4 and day 5. So my brother and my sister, una see am say na just 2 days wey baba God take create all these wonders. E no take am time. So e mean say baba God fit still make wonders. E fit turn your life to a wonder. The only thing wey you need to do na just trust am. Just trust am. Say yes, baba God, I trust you, and you go see how e go be. Drop amen for comment section if you believe say your own miracle dey come. Baba God no dey fail, e no dey disappoint, and e too sure for you because na him dey your matter. So my people, na here we go end today gist. And if you know say this story dey totori you, this gist dey sweet you as e take dey come, abeg like our videos, comment on our comment sections, share this channel, share our videos with your guys, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to knack that bell. I say make you knack the bell. This na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless you and multiply, baby.